Hey guys, this will be a reenactment on how to repair your broken eyeshadows in the 120 palette. The things you will need will be listed on the sidebar, but they are 91% alcohol. Anything lower and it'll be a mess. Trust me, I used 70% and it was not a good look. A straw, preferably the smaller the straw as far as the circumference. Is that what you call it? As far as how big the hole is, the smaller the better, but if you do have a straw with a bigger hole, that's fine. You'll need a dime, and you will also need clear cellophane. Now if you don't have clear cellophane bag, and cut off the top and just cut it off and just get the little clear side of it. And you'll need a paper towel. You'll need many paper towels. And you'll need your palette with your broken eyeshadows. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take the clear cellophane and you're just going to cut it in a little square or rectangle, just enough to cover your whole dime, and twist it around the dime. So once you cut your piece of cellophane, like you can see it doesn't have to be too big, just enough to go around the whole dime. And since I already have one, I'm going to use this one. And basically just put the dime in the middle of the clear cellophane, and you want to just take it and twist it around that dime. So you want to make it as tight as you can and make this portion as smooth as possible. Then once you keep twisting it good, it's gonna it's gonna almost be like you got a stick in there or something. It's gonna give you a chance to grip it good. So this is what it looks like. Once I take the cello, that's the bottom and that's the top. Okay, now this is just gonna be a reenactment because I've repaired all of them, but I just want to give people an idea of how to repair them, which is a pretty easy technique. Now, step 2 is going to be to take the top off of the alcohol. And this alcohol I only use for when I'm working with my makeup or repairing my makeup or cleaning my makeup. So it has a pin drop hole at the top of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a pin drop hole at the top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cap and like basically fill that up with alcohol. Okay, now if that's done, I'm going to take my cap and move it over to the side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straw, as you can see here, and I'm going to dip it in the alcohol. And you know how you dip something, the straw in something, and then put your finger to hold the liquid out? I'm going to dip it in the alcohol and just get a 1 drop full. And when I say 1 drop full, I don't know if you can see it, but it's to the right there. So it's not a lot in there. Try to focus that. See, it's not a lot in there, but it's just enough to give me 1 drop because less is more. You figure out which eyeshadow you need to repair. And matter of fact, I have this one right. I have this one right here. It's not smooth good. So what I'm going to do is once I get the alcohol over top of the shadow I want to repair, I'm going to let my finger go from the top and just gently tap it on there and let the alcohol drip down in there. Let it drip and let it absorb good on the shadow. And then once I do that, what I'm going to do is take my dime and I'm going to put 1 finger on this side and 1 finger on that side, and I'm going to stick it in there and I'm going to press as hard as I can for about a minute. Once you pull it up, you shouldn't really have any color on your dime. Shouldn't have really any color on there. And that's it. I repeated this step on all 18 shadows that I repaired. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will list everything I used along with the steps in the sidebar. Thanks for viewing, guys. Bye.